Hi, let's have a look at the comfortable and modern HP 685 Comfort Dual Mode Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This lightweight keyboard and mouse offer design features like programmable shortcuts and secure connections for a more effortless way to work. The HP 685 keyboard is prepared with spill-resistant protection, ensuring that minor spills don't interrupt your productivity. Alright, let's have a look at what's inside this HP box. An HP unifying dongle, 3 AA batteries, a wireless mouse and keyboard, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. Now, the HP mouse is standard size, fits nicely in my palm, buttons are quite silent, and with up to 20 months of battery life, you can forget when the last time you were changing it. The plastic quality is more than acceptable, and it's worth mentioning that it is made from 60% post-consumer recycled plastic. The HP keyboard has a soft and nice feeling wrist rest, quiet typing and clicks, and up to 36 months of battery life from 2 AA batteries. With one keyboard key, access the power of Microsoft Copilot, an AI-powered assistant to help you simplify tasks, collaborate and work smarter.